So ExtraEmily almost crashed while live streaming. Twitch banned her, then just 24 hours later she was back. And that immediately started a debate that happens almost every time Twitch bans a big creator. How does Twitch actually decide this punishment? Because if you've been watching Twitch for a while, you probably noticed something. Some streamers disappear for years, some get suspended for weeks, and others are back before even most people realize they were banned at first place. So after ExtraEmily's latest suspension, I want to figure out why.
I was suspended 2 days ago for distracted driving, and I clearly understand.
I turn now! Good luck, everybody else!
So if you don't know, a few days ago, ExtraEmily was live streaming while driving, and while changing lanes, she looked away from the road to read the chat, and when she looked back up, there's another car right beside her.
Oh, sorry. Okay, my bad. That was my bad. I gotta check my my.
Well, thankfully, again, nobody got hurt, but the clip immediately spread across the internet, not just because it was dangerous, but because it wasn't the first time. Last year, ExtraEmily was also suspended after running a red light while streaming. So another driving clip went viral of her. Why the hell is she still streaming while driving? And of course, shortly after the clip blew up, Twitch suspended her account. But then only about a day later, she was banned, and that's when the real controversy started.
This has nothing to do with it. It has nothing to do with the driving. It has to do with the reading the chat. That's the problem.
Definitely gonna have the chat off. I just want to do better and not make the same mistake again and again. So
this has been on for 3 years. Yo, chat. Okay, you know what? Chat, I'm just gonna just accomplish it. ExtraEmily driving. I'm just gonna type that. Let's see what comes up with it. Nearly causes a disaster. Alright, driving recklessly.
Well, the suspension itself wasn't what surprised people. The length was. Because viewers immediately start comparing to other Twitch bans. One of the biggest comparisons was Asian Andy. He's been banned from Twitch for 9 years straight. After ExtraEmily returned in just under 24 hours, he even publicly questioned why his own suspension has lasted so much longer. And that's really the problem. Nobody outside Twitch actually knows how these punishments are decided. Some people believe Twitch is inconsistent. Others argue every case is different. Well, the truth is, Twitch doesn't publicly explain exactly why one creator gets 1 day while other gets weeks, months, or even years. So when every time a major ban happens, the same debate starts all over
ExtraEmily
again.
on the casting couch with Dan Clancy. So you see she's toured Twitch HQ on Boogie on the Beat with him, and she's been seen raising him up in public, and her bans are non-existent.
And honestly, this isn't just about ExtraEmily anymore. It's about transparency. If viewers can't understand why two seemingly similar situations receive different punishments, they're going to assume something unfair is happening. Maybe it's favoritism, maybe it's sexism, inconsistent moderation, and maybe even Twitch has reasons that simply aren't popping. The problem is nobody knows, which means people end up arguing with each other instead of understanding the rules. Well, whether you think ExtraEmily deserves 1 day, 1 week, or something much longer, which I do, there's one thing almost everyone agrees on. Reading Twitch chat while driving is a terrible idea, but this controversy also exposes something else much more important. Not just how dangerous driving streams can be, but how confusing Twitch ban system has become. Because when nobody understands how the rules are being enforced, every suspension turns into another controversy, and until Twitch becomes more transparent, that probably isn't going to change. So if you enjoyed this breakdown of internet drama and creator controversies, I'll subscribe. I'm still waiting.